In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do transactions on Facebook Marketplace. We will walk through the basics so you can buy safely and confidently as a beginner. Facebook Marketplace transactions usually happen in two ways. Local pickup, where you meet the buyer or seller in person and exchange the item. Or checkout with delivery, which only appears on some listings and lets you pay through Facebook for shipping. As you watch, notice that not every item supports delivery, so do not worry if you only see local options on many listings. To get started, open Facebook on your phone or computer. Once Facebook loads, look for the Marketplace icon. On mobile, it is usually along the bottom or top bar. On desktop, it appears in the main menu on the left. Tap Marketplace. You should now see a grid of items for sale near your location, along with filters and categories. From there, use the search bar at the top to search for an item. Type what you want, for example, a desk, a phone, or a chair. Press search and wait a moment while the results load. You will now see listings related to your search term, often sorted by distance or relevance. Now open the listing that looks closest to what you want. Tap the picture or title once. The listing page will open and fill the screen. Here you can scroll to see all the details before you decide to contact the seller. Taking a little time here can save you from wasted trips later. First, check the price shown at the top. Make sure the price fits your budget and watch for signs of very low prices that might be too good to be true. Next, look through all the photos. Swipe left and right to see different angles. Clear photos with close-up shots often mean the seller put in more effort and may be easier to deal with. Then read the description carefully. The description usually mentions the item condition, any damage, what is included, and sometimes why they are selling it. If something you care about is missing from the description, make a mental note to ask about it later. This is a common beginner step people skip. After that, check the seller profile. Tap their name or profile picture. You can often see if they are local, how long they have been on Facebook, and sometimes what marketplace ratings they have. Go back to the listing and confirm the location shown there. Make sure it is close enough for you to travel to if you choose local pickup. Once you are happy with what you see, tap Message on the listing. This opens a chat window with the seller inside Facebook Messenger. Here is where you clear up any doubts before committing. Ask simple questions. You can start with, "Is it still available?" Then ask about the final price, especially if the price is marked as negotiable. Confirm the condition if it is not totally clear from the photos, such as any scratches or missing parts. Finally, ask whether they offer pickup or delivery. Some sellers are flexible here, even if the listing focuses on one option. After a short back and forth, agree on the price in a clear message. Also agree on the payment method, for example, cash or whatever you both trust. Then decide on the meeting place and time. A detailed message like Saturday afternoon at the mall entrance removes confusion later. On delivery listings where Facebook checkout is enabled, the seller may instead guide you through paying directly inside Facebook, and the item will be shipped to the address you provide. For a local pickup transaction, meet the seller in a safe public place. Busy locations with cameras are better than quiet side streets. Many people prefer locations near shops or official meetup spots. Once you meet, check the item before paying. Handle it gently but thoroughly. Confirm it matches the photos and description. If it is electronic, ask politely if you can turn it on for a quick test, as many sellers expect that. If everything looks good, pay the seller using the payment method you agreed on in the chat. Count cash carefully before handing it over and avoid changing payment methods on the spot. Right after payment, receive the item and make sure you have all parts or accessories that were mentioned. Once everything is exchanged and you are satisfied, confirm the transaction is complete. You can send a quick thank you message in Facebook Messenger, and if available, leave feedback on the seller profile so other buyers know they are reliable. You just learned how to find an item, talk to the seller, and finish a safe Facebook Marketplace transaction from start to finish. If this walkthrough helped you feel more confident buying on Marketplace, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you want more simple guides like this, feel free to subscribe.